have a sunglasses fashion show? Sure. Sure. I gathered all my sunglasses. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. That's not sunglasses, that's glasses. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pairs I could find. I will leave the last one to the one I wear all the time and try on the rest, much as I did before with my hats. When I said, am I a hat person? The question is, am I a sunglasses person? I can't sit still. You decide if I am and which one you like. Okay. Thanks for the recommendation, though. I will gladly do a fashion show. All right, these ones I've never worn before. They were just given to me by my mother. So let's see. And Ooh. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and number 2. Do we like these ones? I don't know. And 3. These look similar, don't you think? Just a little brighter. And 4. This is a weird one. Ooh, they are a fuzzy. Can't even see through them. Don't know where this came from. These are kind of cuckoo and big on my face. And 5. No, hang on. 1, 2, 5. I wear these ones when I want to wear my actual glasses underneath. Also quite big for my head. I gotta get these out. One moment. And these are weird. What number are we on? I don't even know. Not sure I like those. And these are my sporty ones. Here we go. And I used to be a ski racer. Can I see you? No. Ski race. And it's not my ski race face. And almost last one. Second to last one. Go. Not a bad one. Oh, purple though. And the last one that I wear all the time are these ones. What do you think? Huh? What do you think?